Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburghpat, and I'm going to talk to you today about this book, Dungeons and Dragons, Dungeons and Tombs for Kids. It's really good for teaching kids. And speaking of which, I am going to shout out to Jack and Henry and Joey and Daniel and Lucas, without whom this could not be. They give me $25 a month on my Patreon. No, I'm just kidding. I'm teaching them Dungeons and Dragons right now, and they're making like these really cool maps. Oh, by the way, I got these glasses at jeffoo.com, jefoo.com. Use Pittsburghpat, and you get 10% off their coupon code. But this has great stuff here. It talks about the most famous dungeons. It talks about pirate ships, Ravenloft. It talks about the Dungeon of the Mad Mage and how to build your own dungeon. The best part of this book, I find, is in the back here, where there are these symbols, so that when you draw your own dungeon, you can use these dungeon symbols and the map symbols, right? So if you have a door, you draw it like this on the map. And there are maps that are like hex maps, or they're like squares. You use dry erase marker and write on them, and you should see the ones that my boys in the club have like drawn. So secret door has an S, right? Now you wouldn't draw that and show it to people on the map, but when you're drawing your own maps, I use graph paper. You can draw that, and then as you play, you draw it on the map. It's one way to do it. Or you can draw it all and then reveal it, but of course, secret door you wouldn't want to reveal right away. There's a concealed door. You tell me what the difference between a secret door and a concealed door is. Somebody, please. Open doorways, archways. It's hard to like depict archways. Portcullis, or bars, like if you have prison cells. Stairs, traps, stairways up, stairways down, spiral staircases, all these sorts of things. So I don't want to give away the whole thing, because you should probably buy this book from this dude that wrote it, Jim Zub. He's written these really great books about map making, and there's other books on map making that I have that I will show you as well. They're mostly like the exteriors, and they're beautiful mountain ranges, that sort of thing. But this is a really great book, and this whole series is good, and they've added more. I think this came out in 2022, and they've added more since then. But yeah, if you have any questions about this book, let me know. If you have any questions about how to teach Dungeons and Dragons to kids or new players, let me know. I have an entire channel that's devoted to just that, so you can check out that channel. I'll have all that stuff in the description box. The other channel is just called DnD Teacher. I'm Pittsburghpat, so if you subscribe here, that'd be awesome. I do have a Patreon now. I just started. What do you get for the Patreon if you sign up? Nothing. You can watch my videos for free now, and you can watch my videos on Patreon too. And all you're really doing is buying me a cup of coffee or supporting, the cause, which to me is good YouTubing and good people on YouTube. And I have a nice community. Pretty much everybody who comments on my videos is great. So join us and be part of the good guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Saying hello again to my friends, Jack, Henry, Joey, Daniel, and Lucas. Take care.